Hey YouTube, so today I'll do a semi-live update and it's going to be a little bit on the Gladiator and yeah, this stuff behind me, the snow. So anyway, our channel. We are 15 subscribers away from hitting the magic 1,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We would love to be over 1,000 subscribers. That is like the magic number on YouTube to get your channel started. And we are just about like there. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for contributing and everything. So anyway, the Jeep Gladiator and the snow. And when I say driving on the snow, I mean, yeah, pavement princess stuff, you know, urban articulation. Driving on the road basically is what I'm saying, right? So anyway, yeah, so I've had a bunch of cars in trucks and stuff over the years, and it did pretty good out there in Northern Virginia on these roads. I had a Toyota Tacoma that was a similar wheelbase as this, and it was two-wheel drive. The Tacoma scared the crap out of me. It scared me even just driving on wet pavement. But this actually did pretty good. It still kind of slid around a little bit like on ice. I mean, there's nothing you can really do about that. But it got me around and it seemed like it did a lot better than a lot of the other vehicles out there. The bed is kind of frozen right now, if you didn't notice. There's not really that much in the bed. I'm trying to think about what I have back there right now. And I can honestly, it's like a high lift jack, some max tracks like up here, and maybe there's a couple of items in back, maybe like an air compressor or something, but it's not like sandbags or anything. And I know people talk about sandbagging their trucks and stuff. I did not sandbag my truck, and it seemed like it did pretty good. We have the 2-inch lift and the stock tires on there still. The armor doesn't really make a difference on the roads. And I just put it in the 4 high, and it did pretty good. And I came out here to just sort of get it defrosted a little bit. Now the snow you can see that we have here, this is Northern Virginia area. This is the day after. So it was a little bit thicker than this the day of. And right now they're trying to fix the roads. We have that kind of icky frozen snow on the road. So it's like kind of like large and clumpy and the obstacles that they put for us in front of our driveways are maybe softball size, occasionally a basketball size. So kind of like what we described. And here we go. Let's see what it looks like plowing. Well, that one definitely is softball size, at least, or basketball size. And I can step on it. If you didn't notice, it didn't really move at all. Now this is an interesting part. I'm happy that he broke it up. Maybe it'll melt more. But the interesting part is we start the leg of our next vacation basically today. I have to go get the trailer that we feature in our videos. And I guess it's not so bad. This is where I'm going to be parking it, hopefully. And yeah, it's like solid ice. Fun. So yeah, this is our short little video, and we will get for you footage of us doing Tread Lightly in North Florida, which is a badge trail, and a bunch of camping in Florida and Georgia, so you can kind of guess where we're going. We're going to be going where it's nice and warm, and we're going to get out of this stuff for a while, and our friends are going to watch over our house. And yeah, so if you haven't, please like and subscribe, and we will post probably a video on Peters Mill, believe it or not, tomorrow for you guys, so then you can see how to do the Peters Mill Badge of Honor Trail.